Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to do a laptop unboxing. I recently got a new laptop. I got the Macbook Pro M3 Pro chip. And I'll just show it to you guys over here. I was due for an upgrade. My last MacBook was the Intel series before they moved to the Silicon architecture. And as everyone knows, the Silicon M chips were a big jump from the previous generations. And this is the newest model currently out, the M3 Pro. So let's do an unboxing and take a look at what we're dealing with. I'm excited, guys. Let's take a look.
Okay, so let's get to the unboxing. Let's open this bad boy up. Ooh, this got some weight to it. Definitely got some weight. Okay, you got the classic AeroStrip seal. So let's take this off. Here we go. Perfect. And that one's gone. Okay, let's see what we're dealing with here. The lid is coming off. Here we are. Ooh, here's the bad boy here. MacBook Pro. It's nice and sealed. And let's see what they have here. So, they have the classic USB-C cable. You can see here the MagSafe magnetic charger, the USB-C. Okay. Then we got designed by Apple in California. Designed by Apple in California. Of course, got the official seal. All that good stuff. And we got here the latest power brick. See, nice. All good standard stuff. Anything else in here? No, looks like that's it. Okay, let's clean up the box and take a look at the laptop. Alright, and now let's take a look at the actual laptop here. Let's take off the sealing. Ooh, such a satisfying feel when you rip a brand new packaging. You guys know what I'm talking about? It was really nice. Ooh, this is a new space black color. Take this out of the way. As you can see, guys, the new space black. It's a little bit darker than the gray that they had in the previous model. I like it. It looks very clean, very modern, very just minimalistic and uniform. Okay, let's take a look at the ports we have here. Alright, we got two USB-Cs, headphone jack, MagSafe, as with the previous models. And then here, we got the SD, HDMI, SD slot, and another USB-C. Okay, so it has a lot of the ports that you would need. Probably still need a few dongles, as with all Apple devices. But the design, yeah, straightforward. Just like the previous model, which was already an excellent design. And they maintained that with a nice, sleek black. Okay, so let's take a look, opening this laptop up. Ooh, you guys hear that startup sound? Very, very nice. Okay, let's take this off. Okay, and it's just booting up here. Hello, in several different languages. Okay, so I'm going to boot it up, and we'll be right back, guys.
Alright, so I'm just transferring data from my old MacBook over here to the new one. Apple has a very convenient software, the Migration Assistant, which you just open both applications on the laptops, you say which one is receiving, which one's the sender, and you can either connect it through Wi-Fi connection or Ethernet cable. So I have around 500 gigabytes in my old laptop that I need to transfer over. So it's saying here estimated around 48 minutes to an hour. So we'll just let that run a bit, but while we wait, why don't we talk about the specs a bit? Okay, so the hardware is essentially the same as the M2 Pros. With a sleek design, I got the 14-inch with a new space black color. It has a great resolution screen which features a liquid Retina XDR display with 1000 nits of brightness. As with the previous model, the M3 Pro features the same high-fidelity 6-speaker sound system, triple mic array, and 3.5mm headphone jack for wired headphones, an HDMI cable port, and an SDXC memory card slot, and also a MagSafe charging port. Okay, so the M3 Pro is slightly lighter than the M2, and it's more efficient with less cores, but the same processing power. It's also stated here that it has 20% brighter screens than the previous models. When looking at the GPU and the cores, it may seem like a downgrade because the M2s actually have higher core count than the M3s, but it's actually more efficient because it has the same benchmark in performance with less cores. Because of the efficiency, the battery life is slightly longer as well. Yeah, and this new model also supports a few new features that they've advertised, as dynamic caching, mesh shading, hardware accelerated ray tracing, which is good for memory allocation and rendering for graphics and videos. So it has the normal Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, all that good stuff. For me personally, I needed an upgrade for my old MacBook. Like I said before, I was running the old Intel one, and I'll probably use this for daily use and video editing. So probably this video will be edited on that, and I'll just see the difference. Performance of the M3 Pro is actually 40% better than the M1 Pro, and better than the M1 Max actually. So if you're looking for an upgrade from anything M1 or below, I would definitely recommend this laptop if you want to just grab the newest and greatest. But if you do have the M2 Pro, I suggest holding off because there isn't that much of a performance jump from the M2 Pro to the M3 Pro. But for me, I needed an upgrade. It's exactly the right time, so I decided to get. And I'll let you guys know how the laptop is after a few weeks of use. But so far, it's hitting all the dimensions that I need for a laptop. Okay, so overall guys, I think this laptop is very, very solid. It is a very powerful laptop, the M3 Pro, as you would expect from the latest line from the Pro series. The processor is very fast. You can get all your productivity and high demand tasks done right away. The design is very nice. I really like this sleek space black color that they introduced. And the build quality is as you expect. And I will rock with this laptop and let you guys know how it is. With the worries of the M3 Pro chips, I don't think that should be that much of an issue, especially for myself upgrading from an Intel chip. Alright, I'll edit this video with this laptop, and I'll see you guys soon.